Got my coffee. My smoking accessories. If you know, you know. We gonna catch whatever we catch. Whatever you can catch. Don't you love when you skunk, Manuel? Don't you just love when you skunk? Yes, shut your dumb. Uh-oh, be careful, bro. That's why I tell you, bro. I don't know why you wear chanclas without no socks, bro. Always do that every time we come fishing.
No, because when I put socks on, they just like steps like fast. And when I don't have no chanclas, they just stay on my foot. It doesn't come off.
It's the only thing I hate about coming over here. These freaking walk down. I mean, the rest of the walk that way is pretty smooth, but just walk careful. That's all you gotta do. Come on, niñas. What up, dudes?
Okay, dudes.
Let's see. Show them what you got.
I got this.
Show what I got. Hold on. Nice little place right here. Comment if you know where we're at. Nice, nice. All right, guys, it's looking pretty sad right now. We have no bites at all today. We didn't get no live bait. We're just using some wax worms, some jerk baits. Had one rooster tail on it. Got snagged on something, dude. It's just one of those days. We just gotta keep at it for about an hour or two more, and then let's see how it goes. Hopefully we catch something, huh? We are poop. What a walk, huh? But look, all this water. Yes. I think we were right here last time, homie. Yeah, all right, for sure. All right, man. We're gonna see what we can do. We've been at it since 7 o'clock this morning, and no luck. So we're hoping we catch something. This is the last spot we're gonna be at because I'm tired. I'm going home. Hey, last spot, bro. Last spot. Let's go, baby. We have to. Oh shit. Last spot. Let's see what happens. I'm just trying to catch a little bass, or at least have them catch some bluegills or something. But at least a bluegill, huh? It don't matter, man. We're just trying to catch a fish. We ain't trying to skunk. But we'll come with an update. We catch anything. If not, then I don't catch it. Got the pole on the water. Got the little ones over there. Good luck, guys.